What's good, my fellow creators? Today I want to make a quick episode on the teachings of Neville Goddard. So if this is of interest to you guys, please stay tuned till the end of the episode. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Neville Goddard used the Bible as a reference to how we can use our conscious mind, our imagination to get whatever we want in our lives. So here's a quote from the Bible that Neville Goddard used to refer to. When you pray, enter the closet. And when you shut the door, pray to your Father in secret. And your Father, which is in secret, will reward you openly. Matthew 6:6. What does it mean? Very simple. And to be fair, I like to refer people who have helped me along my journey. So I get this interpretation, and I really like this interpretation, not only by Neville Goddard, but also by the YouTuber named Joseph Halley. His channel is really good. I strongly recommend you go check his stuff. Now, when it comes to entering a closet and shutting the door, it means shutting the senses. That's why praying, visualizing, because praying pretty much means living in the end, whether you are affirming, scripting, visualizing, or any other technique you might use. It's pretty much praying. And when you shut the door, it means you shut the door of your senses. You are relaxed. Because once you shut the door of the senses, you have no more distraction. Now, I've been meditating for years, so this comes pretty easy to me. But I can understand that for you guys, it's not so easy at the beginning. So you have to train yourself to reach to a certain level where you won't have all distraction fade away, but you will have a very, very minimal of distraction. And that's more than enough. Don't worry about a little bit of distraction here and there. It's okay, because once you reach a certain level, when you have meditated for a while, you will be able to sustain state of mind that is pretty empty and pretty free from distraction. So it's all good. But at the beginning, I'm talking about a lot of restlessness, overwhelm, distractions, etc. But it will get better over time. Which is why, if you're not adept at meditation, and if it's not something you want to pursue, the best time to do it is when you're about to go to sleep. In this moment, in this window of time before you go to sleep, when your conscious mind is giving way to your subconscious mind, this is the best time, because automatically in this drowsy state of mind, as Emile Coué would like to refer to, we are in the best predisposition to manifest and imprint our subconscious mind, because there's fewer distraction or not even any distraction. But I want to strongly emphasize that you do not need to wait to the moment before you go to sleep to do this. You can actually do it after you have meditated or whenever you relax in a passive mode. Joseph Murphy used to say that it is better for the mind to relax when we're in a passive mode, because the passivity of our body will lead to a mind that is more relaxed. So steady yourself, sit, relax, take a few deep breaths, meditate, or whenever you're about to go to sleep, do this. So remember, praying in the closet in secret means shutting the senses and praying. Then your Father, God, your consciousness, your subconsciousness, your universe will reward you openly. So what you have affirmed, what you have prayed for, visualize, script in silence, when you shut the door of your senses and when you have impressed the subconscious mind, will be revealed to you openly, which means that what you have imagined, what you have been living in the end for, will be revealed in the universe, which means you'll be able to see it with your eyes, pretty much. So remember, this means you need to be able to be as relaxed as you possibly can when you do those techniques. Why? Because the mind will be more amenable. When you have so many distractions, you won't be able to impress or nurture the seed that you want to plant and that you want to sustain. That's all. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Sebastian, mindset, mindfulness, and meditation coach. Please check the description in the box below. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you want more content along the lines of what I just talked about, manifestation, Joseph Murphy, law of assumption, Neville Goddard, and all that good stuff, Napoleon Hill, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon.